Your 5-day flavor revolution starts now. All right, you lovely people, welcome. And let me tell you, I've learned a thing or two about food that not only fuels your body, but actually tastes bloody brilliant. Forget those bland, miserable, healthy meals that taste like cardboard. We're not doing that here. What I've got for you is a 5-day meal plan that's absolutely packed, and I mean packed, with flavor, with vibrant colors, with textures that will make your taste buds sing. This isn't about restriction. It's about discovering how incredible nutritious food can truly be. Are you tired of staring into your fridge, wondering what on earth to make that's both good for you and doesn't bore you to tears? Well, wake up, because this plan is your answer. It's designed for busy people, for anyone who thinks healthy eating is too complicated or too dull. I'm here to show you it's anything but. We're talking about delicious, satisfying meals that will leave you feeling energized, not deprived. Get ready to transform your week, one stunning dish at a time. This isn't some fad diet, it's a proper way to eat. We're using fresh ingredients, smart combinations, and a passion for good food. You'll discover breakfasts that kickstart your day with a punch, lunches that power you through, dinners that are a genuine pleasure, and snacks that keep those cravings at bay without derailing your efforts. So, grab a notepad, pay attention, and let's get cooking. This 5-day journey is going to be delicious. It's going to be nutritious, and trust me, you won't look back. Let's do this. Right, day one. No messing about. We're starting strong. Breakfast is a vibrant, absolutely gorgeous smoothie. We're talking kale. Yes, kale, don't you dare pull a face. It's packed with nutrients. Then sweet pear for natural sweetness, creamy avocado for those beautiful healthy fats, and your favorite plant-based milk to bring it all together. Whiz it up until it's smooth and luscious. This isn't just a drink, it's a powerhouse. It's clean, it's green, and it'll set you up for a fantastic day. Don't even think about skipping breakfast when you can have something this good, this fast. Get it down ya! Come mid-morning when you feel that little dip, what do you reach for? Not some sugary rubbish, I hope? We're having a small handful of walnuts. Simple, yes, but bloody effective. These little beauties are packed with omega-3s, protein and fiber. They'll give you that sustained energy release, keeping your mind sharp and your stomach satisfied until lunch. No complicated prep, just pure unadulterated goodness. It's about making smart choices, not hard ones. This is a snack that works for you, not against you. Crunch, satisfaction, done. Lunch today is a proper champion's meal. Roasted turkey, quinoa and an arugula salad with a zesty vinaigrette. The turkey, lean and full of protein, roasted to perfection. No dry, sad meat here. Quinoa, that fantastic grain, provides complex carbs for energy and more protein. And the arugula, peppery, fresh, and a brilliant contrast. Toss it all with a simple homemade vinaigrette, a bit of olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon seasoning. This is a salad that eats like a meal, full of flavor, texture, and all the good stuff. It'll keep you going all afternoon, feeling light but completely satisfied. Beautiful. Day 2, let's keep that momentum going, shall we? Breakfast is a delightful bowl of cottage cheese, but not just any cottage cheese. We're jazzing it up with chunks of sweet, juicy pineapple and a sprinkle of chia seeds. The cottage cheese gives you a fantastic protein hit first thing, keeping you full and focused. The pineapple adds that natural sweetness and a lovely tropical zing, cutting through the richness. And chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of fiber, omega-3s, and they add a great little texture. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a damn sight better than a sugary cereal that'll have you crashing by 10 a.m. Start smart. Mid-morning, feeling a bit peckish? We're going for celery sticks with peanut butter. Now hold on, before you say boring, think again. Crunchy, refreshing celery, a brilliant vehicle for that creamy, satisfying peanut butter. Make sure it's a good quality peanut butter. Ideally one without a load of added sugar and palm oil. This snack is a classic for a reason. It delivers on crunch, it delivers on flavor, and it gives you a good dose of protein and healthy fats. It's the kind of snack that tides you over properly. No nonsense, just straightforward, tasty fuel. It's about simple pleasures done right. Lunch is a vibrant lentil and roasted red pepper salad with feta. Oh yes, lentils are an absolute gift, packed with fiber and plant-based protein. They're incredibly versatile. We're pairing them with sweet, smoky roasted red peppers. You can roast them yourself, it's easy, or buy good quality jarred ones. Then crumble in some salty, tangy feta cheese, a light dressing, maybe some fresh herbs like parsley or mint, and you've got a lunch that's bursting with Mediterranean flavors. It's hearty, it's satisfying, and it's absolutely delicious. This is what healthy eating should taste like: exciting and full of life. And for your afternoon pick-me-up, plain air-popped popcorn, light, crunchy, and a blank canvas for a tiny sprinkle of your favorite spice if you wish, but honestly, it's great as is. No butter-drenched cinema rubbish here, just wholesome goodness. Dinner will be a stunning grass-fed beef stir-fry with brown rice and broccoli, a beautiful, balanced way to end the day. Chapter 3. Day 3, hitting the sweet spot of healthy and delicious. All right, day 3, halfway there and feeling fantastic, I hope. Breakfast today is a warm hug in a bowl-baked oatmeal squares. We're talking rolled oats, a touch of cinnamon for that beautiful warmth, and a burst of berries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you fancy. You can bake a batch of these at the start of the week, and breakfast is sorted. They're comforting, they're filling, and they release energy slowly so you're not reaching for rubbish an hour later. This isn't just oatmeal, it's oatmeal elevated. It's a proper breakfast that feels like a treat but works hard for your body. Get that in you. For your morning snack, we're keeping it simple but effective. A handful of dried apricots and cashews. The apricots provide natural sweetness and a good dose of fiber, while the cashews offer that creamy texture and healthy fats, plus a bit of protein. It's a perfect pairing, sweet, nutty, and just enough to keep those hunger pangs quiet until lunchtime. No need for complicated recipe when nature provides such brilliant combinations. This is smart snacking, giving your body what it needs without any fuss. Keep these on hand and you'll never be caught out. Lunch is a showstopper quinoa tabbouleh with grilled chicken and a lemon tahini drizzle. Tabbouleh is usually made with bulgur, but we're using quinoa for an extra protein punch, and because it's gluten-free, packed with fresh parsley, mint, tomatoes, cucumber, all finely chopped, mind you. Precision is key. Then slices of perfectly grilled chicken breast, lean and flavorful. And the crowning glory? A creamy, zesty lemon tahini drizzle. This is a salad that's bursting with freshness, with vibrant colors and layers of flavor. It's light yet incredibly satisfying, absolutely stunning. And for the afternoon, crunchy baby carrots with hummus, a classic for a reason. Creamy, savory hummus and sweet, crisp carrots. Perfect. Dinner tonight, miso glazed salmon with sautéed bok choy and jasmine rice. Elegant, delicious and packed with omega-3s beautiful. Chapter 4. Day 4. Powering through with flavor. Day 4. Still with me? Course you are, because this is food you actually want to eat. Breakfast is avocado toast, but we're taking it up a notch. Perfectly ripe avocado, smashed onto a slice of good quality whole grain toast. Not that flimsy white stuff, right? Then topped with a beautifully poached egg, runny yolk and all. And for a little kick, a sprinkle of chili flakes. This is breakfast perfection. Healthy fats from the avocado, protein from the egg, fiber from the toast. It's a complete meal. It's savory, it's satisfying, and it looks bloody gorgeous on the plate. This will keep you fueled and focused, no doubt about it. Mid-morning, we're going for a delightful little combo: grapes and a cheese stick. Sweet, juicy grapes, providing that natural sugar burst and hydration, paired with a cheese stick for a hit of protein and calcium. It's simple, it's portable, and it hits both the sweet and savory cravings. Don't underestimate the power of well-chosen, simple snacks. It's about balancing those flavors and nutrients to keep your energy levels stable. No more reaching for the biscuit tin when you've got satisfying options like this. It's common sense, really. Lunch today is a whole wheat pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, olives and light feta. Pasta salad often gets a bad rap, usually drowning in mayonnaise. Not this one. We're using whole wheat pasta for extra fiber, bursting cherry tomatoes for sweetness, salty Kalamata olives for that Mediterranean punch, and a sprinkle of light feta for creaminess and tang. Toss it with a simple vinaigrette, olive oil, red wine vinegar, a bit of oregano. This is fresh, it's filling, and it's packed with vibrant flavors. It's a lunch you can look forward to. And for that afternoon slump, a protein smoothie with banana and spinach. Quick, easy, and gets those greens in without you even noticing. Delicious. Dinner is serious business. Grilled lamb chops, mashed sweet potatoes and green beans. Hearty, flavorful, and an absolute treat. Chapter 5, Day 5, finishing strong, feeling fantastic. Day 5, the home stretch. You've made it, and I bet you're feeling bloody brilliant. Breakfast is a green smoothie bowl, a visual feast to start your day. We're blending kiwi, spinach, yes, more greens, they're your friend. Banana for creaminess and natural sweetness, and a splash of liquid. Pour it into a bowl, and then the fun part, toppings. A sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for crunch and nutrients, maybe some extra sliced kiwi or a few berries. This isn't just a smoothie, it's an experience. It's vibrant, it's packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's incredibly satisfying. What a way to start your final day of this plan. Your morning snack is light and refreshing. A sliced pear with 5 to 6 almonds. The pear is juicy, sweet and full of fiber, while the almonds provide a bit of protein and healthy fats, plus that satisfying crunch. It's elegant in its simplicity. Sometimes less is more, especially when the ingredients are top quality. This snack will keep you ticking over nicely, preventing any energy crashes before lunch. It's about mindful eating, enjoying the natural flavors, and giving your body exactly what it needs. No fuss, just pure, simple goodness. Lunch is a grilled tofu and veggie bowl with a dynamite peanut dressing. For those of you who think tofu is bland, you're just not cooking it right. We're grilling it until it's got lovely char marks and a firm texture. Then pile it into a bowl with an array of colorful, crisp, tender veggies. Think broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, edamame, and the star, a creamy, savory, slightly sweet peanut dressing. This bowl is a riot of flavors and textures. It's plant-powered, it's incredibly satisfying, and it's proof that healthy can be absolutely delicious. And for your final afternoon snack, a small bowl of mixed berries with a dollop of Greek yogurt. Sweet, tangy, creamy perfection. Dinner tonight is baked chicken thighs, quinoa pilaf, and roasted carrots. A wholesome, delicious finale to a fantastic week of eating. Well done. Otro, well done. Keep that flavor alive. So there you have it. 5 days of absolutely stunning meals and snacks that prove, once and for all, that healthy eating doesn't mean depriving yourself of flavor or enjoyment. You've seen how fresh ingredients, smart combinations, and a bit of culinary know-how can transform your plate and, more importantly, how you feel. These dishes are designed to be both delicious and deeply satisfying, fueling your body with the good stuff it deserves. No more bland chicken and broccoli unless you're doing it right, of course. I sincerely hope this plan has inspired you. The key is to enjoy the process, to experiment with flavors, and to listen to your body. These meals are perfect for maintaining a balanced diet throughout the week, providing you with sustained energy, essential nutrients, and most importantly, pure, unadulterated pleasure from your food. Remember, cooking should be an adventure, not a chore. Take these ideas, make them your own, and keep exploring the wonderful world of healthy, tasty food. Don't let this be just a one-week wonder. Incorporate these principles into your daily life. Plan your meals, choose fresh, quality ingredients, and don't be afraid to try new things. You've got the tools, you've got the inspiration. Now go out there and keep cooking like you mean it. Thanks for joining me, Marcus Rucker, on this flavor journey. Stay healthy, eat well, and never, ever settle for bland. Cheers.